In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter mileage in Expensify. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of the steps needed to track your mileage efficiently within the Expensify platform. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll begin from your Expensify workspace. The workspace serves as your launching pad for all tasks in Expensify. This is where you manage your expenses and create new entries. It's crucial to navigate to your workspace as the first step in making sure everything is set up correctly for tracking mileage. Now let's look for the plus icon located on the lower left corner of the workspace. This icon is your gateway to creating new entries, so it's important to know exactly where it is. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it to start the process of creating a new expense report for your mileage. After clicking on the plus icon, you will see several options. Here, you'll need to click on Create Expense. This option allows you to begin logging a new expense. It's important to select this correctly, as it initiates the process of documenting your travel mileage. Next, direct your attention to the menu and select Distance. This option is specifically dedicated to tracking mileage, making it much easier to organize transportation-related expenses separately from other expenses. Following your selection of distance, you'll see fields for entering the start and stop addresses. Accurately enter these addresses as this determines the distance calculation. You might want to use the pin function to ensure precision. Whether you're using an address or a specific pin location, accuracy here will help in calculating your mileage correctly. Once you're satisfied with the entered start and stop addresses, click Next. This step is quite straightforward. By clicking Next, you're confirming the entered details and moving forward in the process. Now, here's a neat feature. Expensify will automatically calculate the critical information for you. This includes the amount, the total distance, the rate, and any relevant category labels. The system also records the date, tags, and a report expense number. This automatic computation reduces the possibility of errors and saves you time. After reviewing the computed information, if everything looks good, proceed by clicking on Create Expense. This action finalizes the mileage expense entry and makes it ready for inclusion in your reports. To double-check everything, ensure to click on the Reports section. By doing this, you can verify that your mileage expense has been recorded accurately alongside any other expenses you might have listed. Finally, navigate to the Expenses section. Here, you will see your mileage expenses displayed among other listed expenses. This overview allows you to comprehensively manage and view all your financial outgoings within the Expensify system. And there you have it. You've successfully entered and verified your mileage expenses in Expensify. Thanks for watching, and happy expensing.